What are you guys doing?
Watch this then.
Natalie, are you playing Play-Doh with these goofy kids? What are you guys doing? Evan, Lydia, what are you doing?
Dad,
You playing Play-Doh with Natalie?
what is this then?
It's a Swiss Army knife. Well, what's that attachment? I don't know what that attachment does.
I need a chair.
You need a chair? Here, you can have this chair that Dad was sitting on.
Yeah, you take my spot. That was
Hey, do you need to go to the bathroom?
No.
Evan? 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 Do you need to go potty?
No.
You're jumping up and down a lot. You're getting kind of twitchy. Natalie, is that funny?
I'll do Play-Doh too. What is this? Is this blue?
Yeah. Does Natalie like playing Play-Doh?
Can we get it open?
Oh, we gotta go to bed pretty soon, in 3 minutes. Evan, why don't you go potty and put your jammies on? They're in the living room. Okay, I won't tell you.
Now I'm gonna make a ball for you. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't matter. Scratch.
Good job, Evan.